Yes, this was a really hard hit. Mostly focused right there. You can see the big old eyebrow up here on the top where this was all caved in. The only hard part will be matching this lip where the wheel opening molding goes in. But I mean, sure, I could buy this fender for $100 out of the salvage. I could spend 2 hours installing it. It would be painted complete because no way it would be the same color. Which means that I would have to paint the hood to match. I would have to paint the door to match. And then I've got the bumper to deal with. My choice was to put an extra 4 hours in repair. The color will only be in this isolated area. So the hood will match, the door will match, saving almost $1,000 in paint time and materials when I'd only need to do the fender. That's my philosophy. Most shops don't even know how to do this kind of repair anymore.